Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 13 and 14 from exercise 11.3 chapter 11 perimeter and area. In this question, in question number 13, it is given that a circular flower bed surrounded a circular flower bed, the inner one is our circular flower bed, is surrounded by a circular uh, is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide, surrounded by a path of which is 4 meter wide. Now the diameter of the flower bed is also given 66 meter. What is the area of the path? You have to find the area of the path, the outsider path of the circular flower garden. You need to find the area of this path. Now the inner area, diameter is given, the circular flower bed whose diameter is 66 meter. You can find the diameter of the flower bed. Solution we will start now. Given diameter equal to 66 meter, therefore radius 66 by 2 meter, that is 33 meter. So the inner circle whose radius is 33 meter, easily you can find the area of the inner circle. Therefore area of the inner circle, area of the flower bed which is the inner circle only, equal to pi into 33 square meter square, because 33 is the radius of the inner circle. Now the outer circle means the circle with path. Now radius of the outer circle is, see, it is 33 and then the width is 4, so this one is 4, so 33 plus 4, it will be the radius of the it is meter, not meter square. 33 plus 4 meter radius of the outer circle, because 33 is the inner radius of the inner circle and the path is 4 meter wide, so you need to add this 4 meter wide path with the radius, you will get 37 meter. Now area, you need to find the area of the circular path now. Now area of the outer circle is pi into 37 square meter square, 37 because its radius is 37. Now you have to find the area of the path. Therefore area of the path equal to outer circle minus inner circle, area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So pi into 37 square minus pi into 33 square. So if you take pi as common, then 37 square minus 33 square, multiply and you will get the value of 37 square means 37 into 37, it will be 131 pi into 1369 minus 33 into 33, if you multiply you will get 1089 meter square. Yes, because it is the area of the circle. Now pi, value of pi is given 3.14. Value of pi is given 3.14 into, if you subtract this, 1089. If you subtract this, you will get 280 meter square. Multiply this, you will get the value which is equal to 'So this is the answer of this sum, because you have to find the area of the circle, area of the circular path. You have to find the area of the circular path. So when you multiply 3.14 into 280, 879.20. This is the area of the circular path. Understood? Next sum is, now come to the next question, question number 14. Area of a circular flower garden whose area is given 314 meter square. And a sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area of radius. You know the sprinkler which is sprinkle water in the garden, it is at the center of the circular garden. It is at the center, it has been placed in at the center, and it will sprinkling water in the circular garden. The area it can cover, area can of the circular garden can be covered by the sprinkler whose area is 12, whose radius is 12 meter. Radius is given 12 meter. So area of the sprinkler, that is pi into r square. Here radius is 12 square meter square. Area is 12 square meter square. So what you will find out now the area of the circular garden on which the sprinkler can water. So 12 into 12, 144 meter square. Now 20 value of pi is given here. Value of pi is 3.14. So it is 3.14 into 144 meter square. 3.14 into 144. If you multiply this, you will get, multiply this and you will get 452.16 meter square. Now it is very clear that area of the circular garden that can be covered by the sprinkler, area covered by the sprinkler is 452.16 meter square, and the area of the circular garden is 314 meter square. Which one is greater? The area covered by the sprinkler is greater. Therefore, the garden can be watered easily by the sprinkler. So you will write it here that now after finding the area covered by the sprinkler, and you will see that it is greater than the area of the garden, then you have to write this answer only. Since the since the area of the circular garden is smaller than the area covered by the sprinkler, therefore the sprinkler will enter you can write, so the sprinkler will water the entire garden. So I hope these two sums will be easy for you. Practice this. Thank you, students.